Good girl, Gingy. Thank you for being so sweet.
Yeah. Ready, Regina?
She's like, I'll just watch Ginger do it.
What do you think?
Hi, honey bun.
There's my other friends.
Hi, Goofy. You got lots of friends, huh?
Hey, sorry, Gingy.
She's fast.
She is pretty quick. You know, coyote blood and all.
Right? Well, look at her. Her legs are like, what, 2 or 3 inches shorter than Ginger's, and she keeps up with her.
Yeah, right? Yeah, you're gonna be one quick little girl. Why don't you go get a drink, dummy?
You want some water?
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you really don't want to let go. All right, take it. Do what you want.
Good girl.
Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
She's like, I'm a good girl.
Yeah, you're a good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Get you up. Come here. I'm here. Oh, who's a chili puppy? I know, there's another chili puppy in the house. Who's a chili puppy? Is that better? Yeah, that better. That's better. I'm not as scared.
She's like, oh, wait, I remember you. You're my daddy.
Yeah.
Who's your daddy?
No, Daddy smells like sweat. You haven't smelled that in a while. Hi, Sarah. Let go. Let go.
You can go get it that time? She's like, I think I'll wait.
Look at this.
Oh, I know, she did that to me earlier.